Hey guys, Funk Roberts here from over40alpha.com, funksupplements.com, and the Max Muscle Program. And today I'm excited to talk to you about my ultimate muscle building post-workout smoothie. That's right, you know, when it comes to building muscle, workouts are important, but nutrition's even more important. You've got to feed the muscles what they need, specifically during recovery, because muscles grow with nutrition, good sleep, and good recovery. So getting a good post-workout smoothie is a great way to ensure that you get what you need, specifically if you're short on time. So the ingredients that we put here, there'll be a list of all the ingredients, are the ones that we'll need, and I'll break this down for you and we'll put this together right away. So like I said before, this is for muscle building and it's post-workout. So we've already worked out and pretty much you want to do this before you finish your workout. So first and foremost, I get my base. Now I like to use water. Okay, now some people will say almond milk or coconut milk. Listen, milk is estrogenic, okay? Estrogen kills your testosterone levels. Estrogen also causes belly fat storage and man boobs. I don't want that. So for me, because I have a great tasting protein that we'll get to in a second, I use water. Now you can use whatever you want, but I use water. Okay, next up, we add in our starchy carb, because remember, we're here to build muscle. So not only is steel cut oats a great starchy carb to help with testosterone, but it's a clean source of complex carbs, right? And we need to replenish the glycogen stores that we lost during that workout. So we add in the uncooked steel cut oats. And now, so that's our starchy carb. Then what I like to do is put in the vegetables and fruits. So greens is, again, very important. Remember, nutrient dense is very important. Greens are a great way to get that magnesium in. So I'll put a handful of mixed greens, or you can use spinach, or you can use kale. And then of course, berries. Berries, remember I talked about estrogen? Well, berries, not only do they have antioxidants, but they help decrease estrogen as well. So I'll put in I mean, you can see a big clump of this right here. And then we get to bananas. Pro tip for you, anytime you make a smoothie, add bananas. Not only are you gonna get the nutrients from bananas, the potassium and all the great healthy things you get from bananas, but it always makes your smoothies taste good. So get those bananas in. Again, that's one banana that I've cut up. And now we're gonna add the healthy fat, because we want to ensure that we get cholesterol into our body, because cholesterol is the precursor to testosterone, which means if you don't get good cholesterol into your diet, then you're not going to get that testosterone production. We need cholesterol. So I'm just going to put a handful of cashews just right in there. So that's perfect. And now we're going to add in the main ingredients, as I put it, the three big supplements that are going to help us with muscle building and recovery after a muscle building workout. So first and foremost, I've got my Lean Pro 30, which is my grass-fed whey protein. Very, very, very important whey protein here. Let me just grab this here and open it up for you. There we go. And I'm using vanilla because we're making a vanilla blueberry smoothie, so I get a big scoop. I may even put in an actual extra bit, because this is protein. This is whey protein isolate, the highest quality of protein that you want, grass-fed, so there's no hormones. And the great thing about my Lean Pro 30 is not only does it taste good, but it's lactose-free. There's no sugar, it's stevia sweetened, it's gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO, and it tastes amazing. Very high quality, 28 grams of protein with every scoop. So this is a high quality protein powder. I'm gonna give this away to you for free, actually. So click the link below. I'm gonna send you a 7-day supply of Lean Pro 30 plus. Not only that, for free, you're gonna get a 28-day workout program with follow along workouts. You're gonna get a 28-day bodyweight workout program with follow along workouts and a whole bunch of great stuff. So click the link anywhere after this video to get your free whey protein sent to you, USA only. All right, so we've got the scoop of protein in, and of course we need protein, right? Protein's the building blocks of our muscles, our bones, and all the metabolic processes that go into our body. So we wanna make sure it's high quality. Next up, we are gonna put in our creatine. So I have my Funk Supplements Advanced Creatine Monohydrate. This is, why it's advanced is because we've added fenugreek. Fenugreek is a herb that research shows when you add fenugreek to creatine, it helps shuttle the creatine to the muscles without needing glucose, without needing sugar, right? Most creatine companies will tell you to take it with sugar. Hey, we're trying to build muscle. We're trying to stay lean. We're trying to get ripped. We don't want to add sugar when we don't need to. So advanced creatine monohydrate is great. Next up is BCAAs. Again, another great supplement to take post-workout. You can also take it during the workout, but I like to take a nice scoop of my Amino Power BCAAs because again, we want to help with recovery, protein synthesis, muscle synthesis. So those three alone after in this shake is great. A smoothie is great. Now we're gonna add what I call my boosters. These are boosters, don't get me wrong, but now we're gonna go with chia. Chia is a great, we're gonna get a spoonful of chia here. Tons and tons of amazing benefits when you put in chia. And then we also have hemp hearts as well. So good omega-3s, we're getting great for testosterone and all of the great benefits we get. So you don't have to add these, but I just like to have these boosters in there. And then once we have everything in, we got the water, we got everything in. Now, and you can add ice cubes as well at the very end, throw in those ice cubes. Then we're gonna blend this bad boy up. All right, so there you have it, it's all blended up. Listen, sometimes you may have to add a little bit more water. If you didn't put enough water in, that's cool. And now we're gonna pour this. So like I said, this is a great post-workout muscle building smoothie because building muscle happens during the recovery process, right? So we wanna make sure that we have all the nutrients, the starchy carb, the healthy fat, the proteins, of course, the added supplements, berries, and vegetables. And that tastes, oh wow, that is incredible. The vanilla, like I said before, Lean Pro 30 is my whey protein. I'm gonna give this to you away for free. It tastes amazing. So with all of these ingredients, you want your post-workout smoothie to taste great, right? So this, again, I'm giving this away for free, not this one. I'm gonna hook you guys up with my 7-day supply of Lean Pro 30. If you live in the US, click the link anywhere on here, grab it. All you have to do is pay a small shipping fee. That's it, but it's gonna get shipped to you, and you're also gonna get 9 bonuses, including my 28-day dumbbell shred program. These are follow-along workouts, everything you need, plus my body weight program and other smoothie guides. So there you have it, guys. If you want to have a great smoothie, nutrient-dense smoothie that will help with muscle building and you don't have the time to eat post-workout, this is a perfect smoothie for you. Thank you so much for watching this. Click the link anywhere on this, like, share, leave some comments. Let me know what your favorite muscle building smoothie is. And also, if you live in the US, I wanna send you Lean Pro for free. Vanilla or chocolate, you choose. I wanna send to you for free. Now, let's start building muscle, keep building muscle, and I'll see you on the other side.